Hi, this is Glenn from Regnaxa Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For this episode, we have a large subway padlock and I'm going to try and open it with two different methods. The first method that I'm going to try is by opening it or picking it with a comb tool. This tool can easily open the padlock, as you can see, by taking advantage of using the extra spaces inside this padlock to push in the lock pins into their unlocked position. The next method that you're seeing here is by using a regular lock picking tool with a tension wrench. This method will require patience on your side. It will also require a certain amount of time going through a repetitive practice of picking different locks. This padlock has 5 pins and I have to go through each of the pins to find its binding order. That being said, I'm not yet familiar with how the structure of the pins in this padlock is arranged. So I'm just saying ahead that it might take a minute or more for me to be able to unlock this padlock through sheer lock picking alone. But as you can see, this padlock eventually gave up and now it will be added to my list of pickable padlock. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.